Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Sari Murti. I'm from 5A, and in this occasion, I'm gonna explain about syntax. Syntax means sentence construction, or how words group together to make a phrase and sentences. The term syntax is used to mean the study of the syntactic properties of languages. Syntactic investigation of a given language has as its goal the construction of a grammar that can be viewed as a device of some sort for producing the sentences of the language under analysis. The study of syntax is the study of how words combine to form phrase and ultimately sentences in language. Because it consists of phrases that are put together in a particular way. A sentence has a structure. The structure consists of way in which the words are organized into phrase and the phrase are organized into large phrase. In syntactic science, there are syntactic categories and syntactic classes. Syntactic categories. Syntactic categories and that exist in syntax. A series of words in a phrase, clause, or sentence can be identified one by one through the syntactic categories. Syntax categories are also known as word classes or part of speech. Grady divides the syntactic categories into two groups. There are lexical and phrasal categories. The lexical category is a class that is in a syntactic category whose existence is the main role in forming a sentence. The lexical category is also known as open class, which consists of noun, verb, adjective, preposition, and adverb. Next is non-lexical categories. Non-lexical categories or functional categories are also known as clause classes that consist of determiner, auxiliary word, conjunction, and degree word. And then syntactic classes. Syntactic classes is divided into four. In four, there are and then phrases, then clauses, and sentences. The word is one of the grammatical units that can stand alone and have a meaning. And phrase is a collection of words in which there is no subject and predicate. And next is clause. Crystal states that clause is a term used in some models of a grammar to refer to a unit of grammatical smaller than the sentence, but large than the phrase, words, or morphemes. Sentence. Sentence is a string of words consisting the subject and predicate and has a full meaning. Next is generative grammar. Generative grammar is a rule in syntax that used for the formation of tree diagram structures. The use of tree diagrams is to describe the syntactic class structure in order to know the syntactic category and the meaning in the syntactic classes. Then semantic. Semantic is the study analysis the associative affective meaning in the data. And the last but not least, meanings. Meanings is a reaction that appears in a person's mind. Leons explained that meanings is idea or concept which can be transferred from the mind of the speaker to the mind of the hearer, to embodying them as it were in the forms of one language or another. And now we will see the example of the tree diagrams and syntax. Check it out. Alright, let's see the tree diagram on the screen. There is a sentence, the boy put the ball in the box, and there is a tree diagrams of that sentence. In making tree diagrams, we have to decide it a sentence into noun phrase or verb phrase, and then prepositional phrase. After that, we have to decide it a sentence into words, such as determine, where is the determine, where is the noun, where is the verb, and preposition, and others. Don't forget we write the noun phrase, verb phrase, determine, noun, and others with the symbols, such as the example of the three diagrams on the screens that you see now. And don't forget to put the sentence or the word in the very bottom, and the symbol is above the word. Okay, that is an example of three diagrams.
Alright, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention and I'm so sorry for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.